So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about growing your Depop account. Now when it comes to growing your Depop account, there's a couple different rules. So if you want to grow fast, the main way would be to set up your seller hub straight away. So if you go to sell now, start adding new photos of that product you want to sell. Now first off, you should add in good lighting. It should be uh, also detailed photos of that specific product that's quite clear what you're selling. You should also get a good description, so don't make it too wordy because you don't want your potential buyers to uh, miss the point. If you're trying to just sell them something, make sure that you've listed it quite well with adding a good description. The information should also be concise, so just make sure that you given it enough information for it, and then you can enhance your listing adding some additional information because a lot of different people try to look for certain through certain filters, so they would just add blue shoes or a black t-shirt or something like that. So if you add color, you add source, how used it is or what style it is, you can then really pop off and try to delist and relist your item. You can make it different prices, so try to follow on trends and try to list daily, because then you will be quite successful on Depop. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.